Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. So in this particular video we are going to see how to install Python in your machine. Okay, so for installing Python in our machine we are going to use Anaconda distribution. Okay, so for downloading the Anaconda distribution, you can visit to this particular URL, that is www.anaconda.com/downloads. So as you guys can see, I have opened that particular URL. Okay, so once you open that URL, you can click on this individual edition. Okay, so so this is the particular download link, so you can go ahead and download the Anaconda distribution. So as you can see, this software is almost 500 MB. So I'll skip the download because I have already downloaded this software in my system. So this is the particular file. Okay, I have already downloaded. So we'll go ahead and see the installation process. So for installing, just double click on it. Okay, so it will open up this setup window. So click on next, click on I agree. Okay, so it will ask to install this Anaconda for you only or for all the users. So this is recommended, so we'll go ahead with that. So this is the default path on which this Anaconda is going to be installed. So click on next. So here just one important thing to note, you click on this particular box because by default, if you are installing Anaconda distribution for your Python installation, so you can add this to your environment variable. So we'll add this to our environment variable. Okay, so click on install. So it's going to take some time. So guys, we are almost done here. So we'll click on next here. Click on next. Okay, and finish this installation. Okay, so as you can see, the installation is done successfully. Okay, so you can go ahead and start working with Python. Okay, so we have already the Anaconda installed successfully. So let's see, we have that. See, this is the Anaconda navigator. Okay, so this is a kind of GUI application for Anaconda distribution. Okay, we'll open it and we'll see what we have here. I'll close this particular window. So guys, you can see my Anaconda is installed now. So you can see here, and this is the home page of the Anaconda navigator. So that is the GUI application for Anaconda distribution. Okay, so you can see these are the default applications which are already being installed. Okay, so if you want to open the Jupyter notebook, so from here you can click on launch. And by default it will going to use your browser. Okay, so now it's asking which browser we want to select for opening the Jupyter notebook. So we'll use the default one. So click on OK. So you can see our Jupyter notebook is currently running. So click on a new Jupyter notebook file. Okay, so you can run any command on this particular cell. Okay, so let's say I want to run a simple addition. Okay, so if you click shift enter, it will run that particular cell. Okay, see this Jupyter notebook is very user friendly, so you can instantly see your outputs whatever you are programming. Okay, so these are some of the hotkeys, like shortcut, like for running the particular cell. You can use this shift plus enter command. So you can see what are the other shortcut keys available for this Jupyter notebook. So guys, that's what we have for this particular video. I hope this video is helpful for you, to get started with Python. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.